Hi everyone, I'm Marwa and today we'll be making a fun, easy craft, a crawling caterpillar. Ready? What you're gonna need for this craft is a piece of construction paper, a pair of scissors, some pencil crayons, a straw, and a black marker or a Sharpie. The first step, you're gonna ask a grown-up to help you to cut a strip of paper. Now we're gonna be folding our strip of paper like so. We're gonna make sure to do not fold the middle part. So we're gonna bring the ends together and try to meet them in the middle as much as we can, like so. So as you noticed, I didn't touch the middle part. Then we're gonna fold the sides one more time, like this. And we'll do the same with the other part. Now we have a square piece of paper. We're gonna ask a grown-up again to help us with the scissors. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna round out the corners of this piece of paper. I'm gonna snip the edges . It should look like that. And again, I don't want any corners in my caterpillar. So we're still doing some cutting using our scissors. I think it's roundy enough. Now we're gonna unfold our piece of paper to look like that. If you have a colored construction paper, you're good to go. I didn't have any, so I'm gonna color my caterpillar with my favorite colors. I'm gonna start with pink, maybe a little bit of purple, blue. Feel free to use any colors you like. When I'm done coloring my caterpillar, it should look like this. I prepared one earlier, so this one is fully colored. We don't want to forget to draw a nice smiley face into our caterpillar to bring it to life. 2 eyes and a huge smile. Now your caterpillar is all set to move. Let's try that. I'm gonna find my straw and try to blow slowly into the caterpillar. Do you see that? Let's try this again. Yes. Isn't that cool? I hope you liked our craft for today. Try it and let me know about it. And we'll see you another time. Bye.